Is it bunny, Charlotte?
Yeah, Mark, what do you think you're going to do with those things until we get home? Or and when we get
What
home?
is that, Charlotte?
A bunny.
That's a bunny?
Just easy, honey.
Be easy,
No,
Charlotte.
no. Just squeeze him. Just gotta go like this.
Oh, he's
Nice.
so
Just like
nice.
that.
I love him. They are.
You can put them in here in this box. See?
Okay.
Great place with a box.
Let's get your own little bunny, Charlotte.
I'll just put him up.
Oh, somebody went in there, didn't they? Well, that's okay. I can just take him. Here, thanks. Bob.
Great.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Thanks, Bob.
Nicole will get some of that tea.
Sorry, Harry. What do you think?
Well, this is informal anyway.
Do with you when we get home?
You got some lettuce, Marilyn?
Lettuce.
We have some cabbage.
Huh?
Just a little bit of wilted
Yeah,
lettuce
Well, I
on
know,
the-
but we can't have them in the house.
I tried to feed them, they wouldn't eat.
We'll just put them in the basement.
They don't chew on things.
Well, then we'll put them in that little room.
They look like, well, anyways, they need those pellet things.
Hey, Charlotte.
Yeah, they'll eat that carrot.
Where'd he go?
Hey, cat.
He's not a hungry bunny. Oh.
She gets backwards now.
Charlotte's
Wave,
got a bike?
Davy.